Hi, I'm Scott from SuperPro. These videos are designed to introduce you to our SuperPro roll control sway bar links. We have a full range of sway bar links for lots of different vehicles. Our sway bar links come packaged in disassembled, so it's critically important that they get assembled correctly. They include some pretty comprehensive fitting instructions. We've gone to great lengths to make sure that if you follow these fitting instructions, you'll get the best out of your SuperPro sway bar links. They're a heavy duty link that's designed to replace either an OE sway bar link or to be used in a lowered or raised application where the length of the sway bar link needs to be changed to accommodate for the change in ride height. First of all, the first thing you do when you remove the sway bar link from the vehicle, you need to assemble and match the length of the SuperPro sway bar link to the OE link, taking into consideration the orientation of the ball ends. That needs to be absolutely spot on. Just nip the nuts up when you've made them to the correct length, and then fit them to the vehicle. What we are trying to achieve is a sway bar link that is fitted to the sway bar or the vehicle strut on a perfect angle, not loaded like so, because that will result in failure. Now, SuperPro sway bar links we've designed these with a failsafe so that if the link was to break, that's designed in. The last thing you want to have happen is if you've fitted them to the incorrect length and you break off the bracket on the side of the strut, that would result in a more catastrophic failure, and it's a lot more expensive to replace than just one sway bar link. So what do you need to do? Make sure that they're the correct length. Each sway bar link on each side of the vehicle needs to be exactly the same length as the OE link. Some vehicles have a different length linked on one side to the other side. A lot of vehicles have links that are the same length on one side to the other. Please ensure that your sway bar links are adjusted to exactly the same length on each side of the vehicle. The fitting instructions are there. We've got torque settings, we've got everything. You need to follow those instructions very carefully. The second part of the video will be the final fit up on the car and adjusting to get the sway bar link to where it needs to be. But with these few easy hints, follow these hints, the instructions, and you should get great life out of your sway bar links.